Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Alamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a table in WordPress using Elementor Free. So we are not going to use any Pro Tools, we are going to use Elementor Free version, and this video is completely beginner friendly, so let's get started. So let's first come to the dashboard. After coming to the dashboard, we are going to uh, come into the plugin and click on add plugin. Then from here we are going to search X Pro. Okay. After coming to the X Pro, we are going to install these X Pro add-ons. Also, the X Pro theme builder for Elementor. After installing these two, we are going to activate it. After it is activated, then come to the edit page of the post or page. So let's come to the edit page. You can see here is the edit page. So after coming into the edit page, I will add this table. Okay, I will add this simple table in using Elementor free version. So here is the title. Then I am going to search for table. So I can see that there is table of X Pro. Okay, so this is the table. You can see there is this term, a table is created. So now let's make two table. Okay, so we are going to customize with the same thing. Okay. So first let's remove these two. Okay, so after removing these two, we can see that there are two extra options here. This is the row. Come to the row, then also remove this. After removing it, we can see that they are adjusted automatically. So let's come again to the table head. Then we are going to write the content from our reference page, such as your goal. Okay, so we are going to copy and paste it here from on the title. We can see that this came here. Okay, then we are going to copy this for the right column, and here we are going to copy and paste this. So you can see they are automatically adjusted. So let's, after creating the title or the head, so head row, so after that we are going to come on the table row. On the table row here there is two row. First is row start. So this says that there will be a row under this. Okay, so there is 1 2. Let's copy and paste this. Copy and paste on the title, then do the same. Control C, Control V, mark. We are going to copy and paste this, so you can see there. After that we are going to add another row. For that, add row. Okay, so after that again click, then click on column. Okay, they will be the column item. So on the second row, copy and paste. Okay, we can see that these item are here. Then add another. This will be the same column, since it is a column item, not a row. So copy, then paste it. Okay, so you can see that this is very easy. Like this we can do we can adjust everything. Okay, so This is very easy, and we can do it without using any Pro Tools, just using X Pro free plugins. Okay, also we can change the color of the head. We can come to the style, and we can see that on the table head there is text color. We can change it from here, and background color, background type, and also media color. Okay, so we can adjust everything here. So you can just adjust everything which you need. um, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.